So we're here at the Huawei stand with Michael Chen. Now, Michael, small cells, it's a huge part of Huawei's business. Can you walk me through your current strategy, please?
Yes. When we talk about strategy, let's take a look about the industry trend first. As we all know, now the mobile business is transforming from the voice to data, and for the future, the value-added service, digital service. So basically, from Huawei point of view, we believe, because before we always think the small cell is a kind of supplementary to the macro network, but from Huawei point of view, we believe small cell is not only, definitely, it's not only a supplementary. Actually, it's a kind of must for the MBB network. Also, it's kind of enabler for the digital service, for the value-added service for the mobile network. This is a basic strategy from Huawei about small cell.
So what specific areas are Huawei using small cells in?
Actually, Huawei has a very complete product line for small cell. We have outdoor micro for indoor, like indoor lamp set, indoor Pico BTS, and also we have a service anchor for the enterprise market. So basically, we have a complete product lines, and we use small cell for different scenarios. We cover different scenarios.
Mm-hmm. And can you talk to me a little bit about the different types of technology? I mean, I know that you have the service anchor product that is a big focus of Huawei.
Yes, that's actually service anchor is a very interesting product, and also is a very unique product from Huawei. And basically, service anchor is for hardware is a standard hardware platform, and for software part, service anchor can provide open API interface to a third party, and the third party can develop the applications based on the data collected from the RAN network, because service anchor will connect it to the indoor RAN network like LAMSET and Pico BTS. So it's a kind of interface between the RAN network and the third party applications. So for example, just to give you an example, in outdoor we have GPS, but indoor no GPS. So how do you can get the location information from the customer? But if you deploy the small cell indoor, we can collect the location information from the small cell. Then the service anchor can provide this kind of location information to a third party from API interface.
And you've talked to me a bit about the work that Huawei's been doing with LTU. Can you tell me a little bit more about
yes.
why this is of interest?
Because now, actually, for LTE, spectrum is very important. We need as much as the spectrum as possible. But now for the Wi-Fi, well, now we all know Wi-Fi, but Wi-Fi is unlicensed spectrum. Unlicensed sometimes means no control, no QoS. So for Huawei's strategy, we believe with converting the unlicensed and the licensed spectrum together, so we can provide a better service, and also provide a better control to the operator about the pipe. So actually, in this year, in Barcelona Mobile Congress this year, Huawei and Vodafone jointly announced the first LA live demo. LA means licensed assisted access, the convergence between licensed and unlicensed. We use 3 unlicensed carriers plus 1 licensed carriers. So 4 carriers, carrier aggregation, we get maximum 600 Mbps downlink speed. And we also believe in year 2007, there will be a big commercial deployment for the LA.
Excellent. And now we're going to take a look at some of the products that you guys have here. Great. So we have a couple of products here that are fitting into quite a small suitcase. So Michael, can you just walk me through what each of these are?
Yes. This first you see is a very, I would say, cute suitcase. So and inside we put the all Huawei small cell box here, and it's very easy to carry on. So we can to show this case to the operators or to our customer anywhere, anytime. So let me introduce the items inside one by one. First, this small box you see is a LAMSET Pico RU, and I can take it out. This one, just one small box. It's a multi-band, multi-technology small box. Can support both 2G, 4G, 3G, LTE, and the future for the Wi-Fi LA. Just one box. This one. And also we have another one is, oh, sorry, but anyway, this is a Pico BTS. The difference between these two, this one is actually is a radio part, only radio part, and for Pico BTS is all-in-one baseband, radio antenna, all-in-one, and this one is a very good product solution for small and medium enterprise, like a small office or small shop, small coffee shop and restaurant. And this one is a service anchor, the Huawei's unique, innovative solution for the enterprise service, digital service, and also introduced before. So this is the real product for this one, service anchor. It actually is a standard hardware platform. And this one, so it's for outdoor micro, 3911E. This is outdoor micro BTS. It's very small, quite small, but it's very powerful. It also supports dual band, dual mode, 3G, 4G, and on two band. And the output power is up to 5 watts for each channel, 5 watts for each channel. So basically, this is a very it's a suitcase, small size suitcase from Huawei. We call it small size suitcase.
Excellent. Michael, thank you very much.
Yeah.